In a recent upload, I shared with you how to clean your fish. Today, we are going to go through how I marinate and fry mine. I'm going to blend these onions with water together with this ginger and then add some salt and turmeric powder and smear them on the fish and keep them in the refrigerator. I've lost those clips. It's the next day and I have in the bowl flour. I will add salt, my homemade natural spices and curry powder and mix them all together. The marinade, because I added salt, I was considerate this time. It's time for me to exhibit my makeup skills. Don't laugh at me. Okay, so what I'm basically going to do is to powder the fish. This process would prevent it from tearing apart when frying. If you don't have the normal flour but coconut flour, you can equally use that. So I'm going to put them in the oil. This process requires deep frying, so you would need to have more oil. With this particular set, the heat was too much, so it didn't take time to cook naturally. So I used this particular one for soup, but the subsequent one, oh my, I paired it with banku and it was je. It's true, sen I say, yepese aduane no ano yema ne kontem, and so we cook with hot water and the rest. But the cooking process, we cannot fast track all of that. Into unu aduane a, give it time. Mediane nanto ne bone mene. Don't be a no bebre ne aduane no enhuru musu papa so kukunta isi truck. So sometimes when we are cooking, we increase the fire ne jana yeho ne nkwa ne hu rough nkwa bebene na anwa bie ni no ma aduane ne nto ne bo ne na flavors no enhyehyɛ. Because I'm using the deep frying method, whilst the down layer is frying, you can see that so is the upper part, and so it will not take much time. Ubehuane se enam no like I was stressing, we no eto nebo enebi nti ewie no na ye fefefe. This you can pair with kenke, banku, acheke, eba, eto, rice. Onumi yo dekra na obetimi de akapa no na watete. What will you pair with? As you are leaving your comments, remember to keep hope alive. Bye bye.